Yes, my God. And also just to share, lahat ng sinagot nila tama. Yun. That's it. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na I'm not here kung hindi sinuggest ni Catherine na isama ako.
Yes!
So, I think that's worth noting. Please note that. Because for a while, I've been thinking, ano kayang show ang gagawin ko pa next? Ano bang next project ko? And my God, this show landed on my lap and I just said, oh, I think this is the best show. I mean, this is the most entertaining show. If the Filipinos have given up on TV, don't. The best is yet to come. PGT is the best show. If not, Sir Freddy won't be here. Diba, Sir Freddy? I mean, this is everything. This is entertainment, this is talent, and this is Filipino. What more can you ask for?
Thank you so much, Ms. Marinelle. And our next question is from Sir Jeffrey Olila Garcia from Jeff Oligar TV.
Yes, good afternoon po sa lahat ng friends and press and to the hosts and judges. Yes, supportan natin ang bagong season ng PGT.
Salamat, Sir Jeff.
Yes, ang ating first question ay para kay Donnie Pangilinan. Ikaw naman. So, ang tanong ko sa iyo, yun, bilang isa sa mga first-timers for PGT, pagkapat nasubukan mo na before sa magpasikat, right? Ano yung taste mo or gaano ka ba kumilatis ng talents ng PGT?
Musta, Jeff? Nice to see you again. Paborito ko talaga yung boses mo, bro. Para sa akin, ano ba? Hindi ko alam eh. Paano ba ako? It's okay. Paano ba ako kumilatis? Kasi ako, I just do whatever feels right. It's hard to have a very technical approach. I think a lot of what we do as judges is just our gut feeling. And everything we mentioned kanina, diba? Yung presence, yung wow factor, ganun. So, sa totoo lang, hindi namin masyadong iniisip, uy, nakita ko ba to? Ito ba yung kailangan natin mahatak sa viewers or ganun. I think ang iniisip lang namin is this worthy of going to the next round? So, whatever that may be, however that makes us feel, you know, wherever that comes out from, I think that's just where I get it from. I don't really think about it so much, if that makes sense. Yeah.
Thank you, Donnie, and para sa mga hosts. My second question is for Juanti Nelay. Hello. Ito, what's your expectations sa panibagong season ito ng PGT since kasama mo yan si Robby?
Ang expectation ko talaga is riot talaga to. Umpisa na nga yung riot namin talaga ni Robby D. At may one time na iniwan niya ako. Pero talagang binigay ko na lang kay Lord lahat ng mga blessed. Lahat ng mga pagdadasal ko kasi ako maging host dito sa PGT ba yan, di ba? So, talagang ano nga yung tanong? Sorry.
Inuna mo yung sisi.
Hindi, so, ang ini-expect ko talaga is riot and yung mga talent ng mga Pinoy na makikita talaga natin dito. Actually, huwag nyo na lang kaming tanungin. Ang tanungin niyo yung mga talented talaga kasi sila talaga ang bida dito sa PGT. Paglabas pa lang nila talaga ma-amaze kayo, ganito pala ang kulturang Pinoy. Robby D?
Sorry, I just wanna add, coming into PGT, may pressure kasi, grabe yung pressure na naset talaga ng Billy Louise Tandem. Alam mo yun, we've been doing this for the past how many seasons already. And then, nung sinabi sa akin na makasama ko si Ate Melay, wala, tapos na yung pressure. Kasi I know for this season of PGT, we are gonna be standing on the shoulders of giants, Billy Louise, but at the same time, giving a new flavor para sa programa. Kaya ako, sobrang swerte ko na makasama ang isang Melay. Maraming salamat, Ate May.
Hoy!
Actually, may VTR kami para sa'yo.
Nakapala sila naman niya ako. Hindi. Actually, nawala talaga ang pressure niya nung nilabas ang presyo. Presyo ng kanyang sweldo. So, okay na ba yung sagot namin? Kung hindi pa, press no.
Pwede ba ako mag-add, Jeff? Mag-add ako. Ito, sa totoo lang, I will speak on behalf of all the judges here. Kasi yung hosts natin yung nagsa-start ng show. So, I would just like to give them all the props needed. Kasi kung wala sila dito, wala talaga yung PGT Season 7. At sobrang laki ng respeto ko kay Kuya Robs at kay Ate Mela. Actually, yung pinakaunang nagsabi sa akin na, I think, inquiry pa lang to na may PGT. Nung nalaman ko si Kuya Robs yung magiging host, it made the decision so much easier. Kasi, actually, one of our dreams before, nung nagsisimula pa lang tayo sa mix, is to do PGT together. And I'm just so grateful na we were given this opportunity, obviously alongside such an amazing cast here. So, I would have no other hosts than these two. Maraming salamat. Love you both.
Group hug.
Okay, thank you po.
Thank you so
Jeff.
much,
Salamat, Sir
Jeff.
Jeff.
Maraming salamat po. And our next question naman ay magagaling po kay Alan Sancon of Stars Photo.
Hello po, congratulations. And isa ako sa mga excited na panoorin yung PGT Season 7. Pero yan, yung question ko doon naman sa mga online host natin, kay Lorin sa kay Wise. Kasali sila, di ba? Actually, proud ako kay Wise kasi friend ko yan, ang tagal-tagal niya ng, di ba, nasa showbiz, pero this time, binigyan siya ng pagkakataon to host online. Pero what preparation did you do para mas maging powerful yung yung hosting nyo online? Kasi maraming mga nanonood online not just on TV, di ba? Pero what preparation yung ginagawa nyo for you to be able to capture the heart of all the viewers sa online? Lorraine and Wes.
Yung ginagawa ko po kasi is, kasi yung hosting namin sa Showtime Online is ibang-iba talaga dun sa gagawin namin. Ginagawa namin dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent. Parang mas formal, mas seryoso. So, kapag binibigay sa amin yung mga profile ng mga contestants, inaaral po namin yun. And then habang nagpe-perform din po sila dito, nag-observe kami kung ano ba yung comments na binibigay ng mga judges, kung paano ba nagpe-perform yung mga contestants natin. And then, nag-a-ask kami ng mga malalalim na questions pa para mas may puso pa, may labas namin yung puso din po ng mga contestants natin.
Yes. Ako naman po, first of all, sobrang laking opportunity po neto na makapag-host ng PGT Exclusive. Sobrang maraming salamat po. Dahil pinagkatiwalaan mo po kami dito. Kahit sa online platform po, thank you so much. And of course, paano kami nagpre-prepare? Bilang kami ay nasa noontime nga po, gusto rin po namin magkaroon ng ibang Wise and Lorraine pagdating po dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent. Kaya inaral po namin yung format ng PGT, lalo na 7th season na po, and after 7 years, nagbabalik na po ang Pilipinas Got Talent. Gusto po namin mabigay yung very best Wise and Lorraine na maipapakita po namin sa PGT Exclusive. Thank you so much po.
Salamat po sa tiwala. Mas gagalingin pa po namin dalawa.
Thank you. Congratulations, everyone.
Salamat po.
Ito na po ang ating next question from Manila Feed, from Mr. Chad Roset. This question is for Sir FMG po. Having been in the industry for so long, how do you see Filipino talent evolving over the years? If magbibigay po kayo ng comment kina Catherine, Donnie at Eugene as Jurados, how would you rate their performance as the new set of Jurados in PGT?
Is it a yes?
Firstly, all these years, we've been doing the PGT and we were absent for 7 years. And I was asking Donnie, ano kaya makikita natin ngayon dito? After 7 years, can we still get the best talent? Kasi nawala na yan search for the best talent. And he said, what is called the search. Marami ng bagong technology ngayon na makikita siguro tayo na incorporate sa talent na mag-perform sa PGT. And sure enough, the talents that we have right now have leveled up. I would say that they could be compared to world-class acts. Maganda, maraming maganda. Ngayon, sa mga kasama ko naman sa judging, I think I have the best chemistry of judges. And the best chemistry of hosts. And you will see this, that the season 7 of PGT is going to be one of the best. Ang gagaling nila, talagang bumili ako. I was surprised the way they talk to the talents, the way they ask questions, the way they scrutinize. Sabi ko, mas magaling pa itong sakay sa akin. Pero believe ako, ang gagaling nila. Catherine, Jose, si Donnie, at yung dalawa nating host. Ang gagaling nila. Sabi ko nga pwede bang bantayan ni Robbie? Yung si Billy and because they were working for 6 years. It's lang bago lang. But surprisingly, I think we are going to have the best shows because of the chemistry of these people.
Yes, maraming salamat po Sir FMG. Our next question naman po ay magagaling kay Philip Martin Mattel of Rappler.
Good afternoon. My question is for Catherine. You've done so much, of course, in your illustrious career as an actress and then on movies and TV. Ngayon, ano yung nag-iiba? What's the difference na ikaw naman yung tutulong sa pag-scout ng next great thing sa Filipino talent dito sa bagong season na to?
Yeah, it's different. It's so different. You know, nag-set naman ako sa utak ko. Nag-set na ako na, okay, it's gonna be a different experience. Pero iba pala, pag nandyan ka na, talaga. Alam mo yung minsan pag uwi ko from taping, iniisip mo pa, i-recap ko lahat ng mga nakita ko na performances that day. And then iisipin ko, hanggang makashower, hanggang nasa bed ka, if tama yung mga nabigay kong advice and yung mga yeses and no's na binigay ko that day. Because, like yung sinabi kanina, I think that was one of the first few questions, meron kaming power to change a person's dream or to make that dream come true. We can be part of that dream. So our yeses, it's so powerful. And yung no's namin, it's so hard to say no. Parang sinabi ko, kung ako lang siya na askat, Diyos ko, ang dali-dali kong patawanin, pasayahin. Pero kailangan din syempre, we're here representing Pilipinas Got Talent and I'm one of the judges, so we have to perform as well. So siguro yun yung iba, so iba yung environment, but this time, ang galing niya kasi ang dami din naming natututunan sa mga nag-audition. So diba, akala nyo kami yung nag-mentor sa kanila, but then feeling ko, ang dami ko natututunan sa bawat nagpa-perform. And growing up siguro, I'm just very lucky na I was surrounded, and I'm still surrounded with a lot of people. Parang I have my mentors, so like I have Tita Cory, I have CLK, I have Inan, Derek, Cathy. I have these people na umalalay sa akin at umaalalay sa akin hanggang ngayon. And sobrang grateful ko sa mga tao na yun. And now I think it's time to share what I've learned through the years. I know na I'm very young, I'm not experienced enough, but I think this is my way of paying it forward sa kanila naman na I think ito yung personal na experience ko and I think this will help you. So when I'm there, it's me as a judge, yes, but I want to be that person na you can talk to as your friend, as your sister. I want to be that heart sa panel na magiging comfortable ka. So ayun, that's what I'm trying to do every episode. I keep that in mind. And nagpapasalamat lang ako sa lahat ng mentors ko through the years and hopefully this time ako naman yung makakatulong sa mga sasali pa dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent. So yes, it's different, but I think this is my way of saying thank you. So, sana may matutunan naman sila. Let's just enjoy. Yes.
Thank you so much, Sir Philip and Ms. Catherine. Alright, our next question is from Sir Glenn Sigonga of Showbiz Bongga.
Ayan, ako napala. Good afternoon. Siyempre, congratulations sa grand comeback nito mga Pilipinas Got Talent. Yung first question ko kay Donnie kasi mula sa pagiging magaling na actor, host, ngayon nakikilala ka na rin, tinatawag ka na rin na matalino at magaling na hurado. Siyempre, coming from diba, doon sa mga pasikat ng It's Showtime. Ano yung reaction mo dito sa papuri na natatanggap mo?
Reaction ko?
Reaction ni Eugene daw.
Hindi, ako po, to be honest, well, nasa-shock pa rin ako kasi hindi, yung magpasikat first of all, hindi naman yun talaga plano. I mean, hindi yun planado. Parang, it just so happened na kailangan nila ng extra judge or they asked me if, I had a spare week to be able to attend yung Showtime. And sa una, sa totoo lang, nag-no ako. Kasi iniisip ko, ano namang sasabihin ko dyan? Tsaka, anong ambag ko dyan? Hindi ko naman deserve na kasama ko yung, at that time, hindi ko alam kung yun yung lineup, but still, the lineup that we ended up with, diba? Grabe yung bigatin yung mga kasama ko. Sir FMG pa lang, diba? So, yun, to be honest, nag-no ako, sabi ko, I'm not sure if I'm ready yet. Kasi hindi ko alam kung yung sasabihin ko at yung i-critique ko, tama. Kasi syempre doon sa magpasikat, puro artista. May mga people who've gone before me. I'm not critiquing just anyone. So, this is something that, medyo siguro nahiya ako. But when they said, yes po. But when they said, it's something new, just give it a try, and magpasikat is, something they do once a year lang, and it's a fun opportunity. Sabi, after a bit of convincing, sige, sabi ko, ito-try ko talaga. So, hindi ko naman po in-expect na ganito po yung magiging talabasan nun. Ako, I'm just very grateful na siguro yun po ang nakita nila. But to be honest, I'm just speaking from what I feel. And I'm just speaking from my heart, what really genuinely feels right. So, again, when they offered even PGT, just the thought of it, sa totoo lang po, sobra akong nag-isip nun kung i-consider ko po siya kasi same reasons. I didn't know if, it might be too early, if I even deserve to sit alongside such amazing judges, and of course, syempre, yung talent na lahat ng contestants natin. So ako, I just promised na I'm just gonna give it my all, and I'm gonna keep learning kasi I'm entering here, learning so much already from everyone here, from Sir FMG, Kath, Ms. Uge, even our hosts. Every day, bago yung knowledge na nakikita ko yung nararamdaman ko, and yung chemistry ng lahat, feel ko talaga na everyone's here for the same purpose. So, to answer your question, my pressure for sure. So, I'm just here as someone who is very new with an open mind, just to see where this will go. But I promise to give it my all, and I promise na maghahanap talaga tayo ng talent na worthy of being called the next champion of PGT.
Pero congratulations, you rose to the occasion. At saka ang ganda ng chemistry niyo dito sa PGT. Yun. For my